Fix in 5. Got AP0426? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CL. Illuminated, reduced engine performance, decreased fuel economy, exhaust odor, engine hesitation or stalling under load. Now the most likely causes. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor bank 2. Sensor wiring harness damaged or corroded. Sensor connector loose or contaminated. Engine control module. ECM malfunction. Exhaust system leak near sensor location. How to fix it? Replace catalyst temperature sensor bank 2. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean or reseat sensor connector. Inspect and repair exhaust system leaks. The scanner and part side use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €35. 85 doing it yourself, or €155-205 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0426? Repairing P0426 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0426. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.